What's going on, guys? We are back for another weekly episode. Just before we do anything, please make sure to smash the subscribe buttons. We are literally 2 subscribers away from 1100 subscribers. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure to check out Sa3 official merchandise. I'm not wearing it, the t-shirt's in the wash, but guys, make sure to check them out, all that good stuff. My discount code of Sa3 Tv 10 is all in the bio. I'm plugging you guys in with their merch. Their merch is sick. It is sick. I'm telling you, I love it. Pretty much wear it all the time. And obviously the mask, I wear the mask all the time as well. Here, my mask's actually here, as you can see. Sa3 official. So I do have an update for you guys on the S3. I know you guys haven't been seeing the S3 much as you used to. The stage 3 process for me is going a little bit slow, as I don't want to splash shitload of money in one go. It's just financially it's a stupid thing to do. That's personally for me. So the modifications will be coming, just not as quick as I expected. Neither did you expect. So I have bought the first mod for stage 3, which I have decided. I did think about it for a couple of days actually, which one I was going to buy and what I was going to buy. So I decided to buy a Revo high pressure fuel pump kit. So for the people that don't actually know what a high pressure fuel pump kit is compared to the actual high pressure fuel pump unit. So the unit is actually the whole thing that actually you could just basically replace on the car. It's a simple, easy to do. The high pressure fuel pump kit is basically, can you explain it? It's replacing the current internals in the car with obviously the high pressure fuel pump kit. Basically just upgraded, can take way more. I think it's like 20 or 30% more. So don't take my word on that. But yeah, so I've decided to go with the kit. Not only that, it's cheaper. Even though I'm not going to go cheap on this car, you guys know I don't do that. But I thought to myself, why spend an extra £400 or £500 on the unit if I can just go pretty much basically quarter of the price or half the price, and then have a bit of a fiddly bit when putting it in and save loads of money. It's just pure common sense. So I decided to go for the Revo high pressure fuel pump upgrade kit. As you can see there, I'll put the link in my bio if you guys are interested in buying it. So I did get in contact with my mapper on obviously the decisions that I'll be making with the high pressure fuel pump. He suggested to go with the Revo high pressure fuel pump as they have a Golf R, which I'm pretty sure has the same. I'm pretty sure he did mention it actually a while ago when I first met him. So yeah, so I did decide to go for that. So that should be arriving very, very soon. I might even film the installation of the high pressure fuel pump kit. It would be quite interesting for me and for you guys to see what kind of goes on instead of actually replacing the whole unit with another unit. It would be very, very interesting actually. But yeah, that's the update for the S3. Also, there has been a slight change to plans of the S3. So I got in contact with a couple of people that have actually done S3s with high power. I'm talking 540, 550, 560, up to 600 brake. 600 brake horsepower is a risk. Thinking about it now, financially, it's not worth it. And you guys are probably thinking, I've been talking about 600 brake for so long, since basically the day I started this channel. But I have to be realistic with you guys, so I have decided that I will be taking the S3 to 550 brake horsepower. Anything 500 and above is a lot for something that's 4-cylinder turbo. That's a lot. Considering the body weight of the car, the size, the power is 4-wheel drive, you're going to be basically the quickest thing on the road. And I'm hoping to make this car very special for it. I mean, as you guys know, in my eyes, it's a sleeper. It's a complete utter sleeper. People think it's completely bone stock until I put my foot down. So I have decided that I will be going 550, well, as close to, or basically I'm trying to aim for 550 on the dot. That's something I want to do, and I have discussed and finalized the plan with my mapper. So yeah, that's basically a small little update for you guys. I'm a little bit annoyed at the fact that I can't go 600 because it's a risk I'm not willing to take, and you have to get a complete built motor, which is not something I want to do. It's kind of pointless because not everybody can do it. You need quite a lot of money to do that. I mean, I can do it, but it's not worth it for me. Financially, it's not worth it. I need the car. It's just pure headache, and I want to show you guys that you can take a lot of power out of these on stock block. So it should be interesting. But yeah, so the Revo high pressure fuel pump kit should be arriving very, very soon. I am looking forward to it. It's going to be interesting. And then hopefully next month or month after that, early next month after that, I will be ordering the low pressure fuel pump should be arriving then. So I will be installing that as well. so it should be interesting. Actually, I'm looking forward to this build. I've been so excited for this build ever since I hit 1,000 subscribers. That buzz of knowing that now I'm taking the power to a whole different level. I'm losing sleep because I'm so damn excited. I want the process and the build to be quicker, but I need to think logically, and I need to think that, okay, right, if I spend this much amount, if anything happens, at least I've got something on me to kind of back that up, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's just a mini little update for you guys and kind of what's going on, what's happening. As like I said before, the S3 hasn't been on the channel as much. I do have an upcoming video with the S3 which should be more informal for you guys, more interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, like, share, and also make sure to check out all my socials, because I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I don't really use Twitter, but I will be tweeting stuff soon, so it should be interesting. But guys, I hope you guys staying safe. Make sure to stay tuned for every week I'm uploading a video. Take care.